Welcome back, guys. We're going to be making very easy pizza today. I decided to make this one for the kids because they kept on asking me for pizza, 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 and I had all these ingredients at home, and I was like, why not? So we're going to be using our tortilla wraps. Don't worry if you don't have pizza base because I know that's the major part of your pizza. But if you have this tortilla wraps, you can try it out. And guys, it was yummy. But let me just continue. Of course, we need cheese. I had cheese at home. So the major thing was that I kind of like doubled this to make it like thick. You know, it's just thin with one layer. So I would advise you to double it if you want to do it. And I put cheese in between so that it will kind of like act as a sealing agent to like bind the wrapped together, because without that it might just fall apart. Of course, it's not like dough that will stretch and will stick together, so the cheese will help you to like bind it together. After achieving the layer I wanted with the cheese in between, I went on to apply my or to add my tomato paste, which I had ready as well. You can use any tomato paste of your choice. Please note that this was already cooked. From the texture, I believe you can see that it was cooked already because pizza does not take long to cook at all. So I advise you not to use anything raw. Kindly use like a pepper or tomato paste base that has been pre-cooked, and that way, by the time you're ready to like put your pizza in the oven, it will kind of like work with the other ingredients and it will make it soggy. So I'm just like spreading it all around to make sure that it gets to almost all the parts so that there'll be enough quantity for any part of pizza I cut into. After achieving all the layer of the tomato base that I want, at this point I'll go on to add my onions like that has been sliced like so. Please feel free to skip this if it's not something you fancy, but I like onions in my pizza, and that's why I'm adding some onions to the pizza. When I achieve the desired amount of onions I want, I'll be adding some bell peppers, and I'll be using the green, the yellow, and the red bell peppers. Please, like I will always say, it's all in your preference. Feel free to add whatever you want. Feel free to remove or add other ingredients to this. So next I'll be adding some cheese, because what is pizza without cheese? Add a generous amount of cheese, as much as you can add, because cheese makes everything with pizza, guys. If you don't add enough cheese, it won't feel like pizza. And because I wanted some extra heat, I'm going ahead with some little peppers which I added to that, and I have some like chicken breast that has been diced which I'm just adding to it. Like, you can just do whatever you want to. If you have pepperoni, if you have chicken, if you have mushrooms, if you have sausages, everything is in your cut. Do whatever you please. And I put it in the oven for 15 minutes. Afterwards, our pizza was ready. Like, guys, because I had all these ingredients at home, I just wanted to experiment with everything, and I went in with everything. Like I said, feel free to add, to remove, whatever you wish. So guys, that is how to make pizza with a tortilla base. And guys, I packed this for lunch for myself, and it was so yummy. Try it and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more content. I'll be glad to see you with other recipes. Stay blessed, stay safe. Bye.